they are back for good. Alexander Bull, yes. How much the pop one by Euro? Yes. And no, or the way the Morocco training na pom kakra to share
Africa. There was almost the air try testing my
or share 2%. Also Germany. I mean, US Germany are the first to reckon with. Until recently, Japan. By 2011 2015, Japan win back final against the US. Germany there, US free Germany when they come to the Women World Cup. Yes. So last World Cup, Sweden here and they are back again and with a strong force than even the last World Cup. So Morocco and Jeffery, I mean, it's the first time they are going there. Experience or more. Benya, they'll go through the baptism of fire. The next World Cup, to be qualifier. There's some kind of them. To be qualifier. About next one, they'll garner better experience and prepare better and come. Unfortunately, local track group, we move more. We make sure it's a bad thing. That's it. So you don't blame them. But I'll be fun as South Africa, so but it's an African problem. The South Africans played so well. Listen, South Africa play. Gerlana ball on Nyaye train 1-2 before Omar pass to Hilda Magaya. Hilda Magaya. So short no ball short now. Cesarea Musovic keep no short now no thing. You know, Piabai and Hilda Editumo. And also after that they were playing, but finally Hilda injury no Nyaye no. Emma, the coach was forced to change German Sepunsenwe from the right to center
SOMPA Sports
forward. And no the problem in by affected the structure of their game. But trust me, that was a big game. Sweden, almost and Sweden a very technical team. The most technical team in the competition always is Sweden. So when you mushia obe brobe febi, who papa. They play so attack room for man Denmark. Look, they played so well, and once again Chelsea. Wonderful work we are carrying. Joanna carrying. Left wing back, Chelsea, or left winger, brilliant. And you could see their technical quality players came to the form. Say, almost ball Super League Madian where you can choose almost technical quality no was true. But the South Africans play so well. Relifa Jenny did very well in May for Nicolosa, but unfortunately, these are brilliant players. After Oshego, they took their time, played very well, and came back to the fore. Rolfo, this year Barcelona Champions League, boy final of Gilsberg, she was in it. Honestly, beautiful, but Canary crossed to her and Osher. And Osher, second goal now, almost share, 90th minute, and America's Africa, come major tournament, and Memo Mao, loss of concentration, dying embers. Because she was unmarked. Aslavani NFA at 2 corner, and then Amanda Lester had the ball unmarked. Border Tonet 2-1. But trust me, the South Africans they pay their dues. But San Nieman Kitty where it matters most. And I bet twice I don't know why, but it's a major problem in Africans we always feel when we get to that moment. Nieman Kitty. But Sweden, they normally struggle to qualify for the group, but almost do knockout stage. They are very good. So they are good to go. Now Jamaica and France attack their defense. Also you lie.
Jamaica forgive the dear.
Who be that? Messi, Rebecca Spencer. Keeper, no wonder. Say Tottenham Hotspur keeper.
Tottenham keeper.
Tottenham. Yes. And Blackwood on the left, she was solid. Blackwood, Meta on the right, and then the centre back pair. Alison Swaby and then Chantel Swaby. They played so well. Vian Simpson, solid. Jordi Brown on the left. They play so confident at 27% possession. Only a compact counter attack. But Khadija Shaw, Bano, captain, even though yes, Okocha Wendy Renard, red card, second yellow.
Yes.
But she led as a captain. The performance was excellent. She was a leader on the field of play. Now, we are sitting there. Look, France team, they played well. But they came up, they missed chances. Ababa you are Kadidioto Diani, Mali near 11, Mali. She hit a crossbar, missed chances, be brave, and Spencer Sudebi. And then this midfield general, Grace Gayuru, DRC Baba you are no and on a tapia ball more attack they did everything they could but unfortunately no was a heavy or bench on the way but this girl and we are see Meka Man City striker no Khadija
yes
this girl ni story mobile ni mami ton akukọ force ni papa shoemaker but enukra nya asem no but all US or degree in communication from University of Tennessee
oh wow
or go US na ni way ni omo ye 13 abusuan no e na ono e 13th
oni twa to kra
but ewo leribro ewo omakro sebia a crabiasi wo Jamaica no omo kun ni nua miensa mema miensa intokwanti crowd violence ena ni nephew baako ni nyina wanya kwenya antimia because of school no SOMPA sport ewo US no wambe yeru bi ena baako class account say baako nya say ena baako so de ye do to fold so na electrocute no I was it yes she's lost 4 siblings and 2 nephews and I mama so on jai ball no ball for 2 years she was going through emotional trauma when him money mommy for boy me jai ball no so na ne
and then I be doozy
and I say yeah ni yan say wanya kwenya kran kan goodbye and out of that microphone cry out of the 6-4 only omo you close pa
oh
but wanya kokudro am ene edin ene wadi
edina dua
and she's doing very look and no I reckon me because born no the onimbo pa me pa but unfortunately sometimes neom and what she did was leading as a captain making sure we're closing down on nyakwa cross ball no we play on Wendy so when he ran out
me crash no
8 Champions League
Ukraine shame pa the man crash okay and about the omo team no omo ayete so omo mema no omo players ni bi azo omo bobo no England atana hwa na from our team is strong power omo defend
very strong very
alba be na me catch Michael Zenra ball na me share no and he said ni me si ko no ba nkonfo eno ade wa cheaper o ze ye kevu the ball no nye me football nation me football nkonfo eno ane ma wa cheaper
only I hate
ni we na me
15 players of France
simple crowd at the ome
yeah chess the game is developing very investment come tanker development come yeah baby I wanna why am ball no be
man
catch me see
adu no
the most successful president of FIFA
Vietnam we nyina ba
any CAF Infantino the most successful president of FIFA ever Infantino and Patrick Motsepe successful African president ever maybe some akatoda SOMPA sport na sikano biaji na ne odi be no
they were FIFA president here the best ever president
where the best
na CAF so no
Patrick Motsepe yes the best
na Ghana Football Association president
oh na na kwesi ntechi SOMPA sport uyo hini jana na kwesi ntechi aba uyo hini jana for na kwesi ntechi aba oh yes that's a matter of fact uyo hini jana na kwesi ntechi aba before the rest yeah
and that no more makana
oh it's true that's and they and yet open for debatable so that's it
ajinye bi eni
ohini jan the number 1 uyo ohini jan free na ora kwesi ntechi aba
that means the crack will fall within top 4
SOMPA sports
Alaji Nuruddin Jaola Bro Badla will come
ansana
so benko mi no that wanya mi chemu the way but me ko I don't
Mr. Craig goes on am checking on because
oh yen cancel won't check
maybe they may stop you then give them then ba be yeah
summit you see because omo ye with
yeah boss
but me come from lawana some catch you we untu Lewis Hamilton say or started so brand once ade no Neman Koyi Enra for instance he made the mistake himself you want Paul now don't forget say Hungary Mercedes there he himself ni made in Oba Mercedes ni made in Grand Prix winning war wa winning at night time no driver etimi esa where winning purpose or PP Verstappen kebi chano afi the agro dankasa now agro dankasa on himself akwa no na ni brief from first lap say ni gears wo nebe wo obenwa na hwem ana kwa ana meni pano ko di enim na onim say di enim so di a ayeka ana ko di enim ana yi nkonya Emerentimi Kokum Bibi, Yayi Konya, we are called 7 consecutive victories.
SOMPA Sports.
7. Max Verstappen, 7 consecutive victories. And out of 9, out of 11 races, they are winning 9. Mercedes are breaking the record that was set by McLaren. 11 consecutive. You see how mine 12 consecutive. And the McLaren lead by 110 points. Oh, Bibika Buche. McLaren said, Obe winning, Bium, third one winning. Niaka, oh, Bibika na.
Oh, some team standing. I'm saying Fernando Alonso has your points, Kakrao.
Why?
Fernando Alonso.
Ah, send
Alabadu.
Send come on. Yeah, we need no team. You see,
as I want to make everybody have a go. Alabocho. We team standing out top 3 account. Yeah, count.
Yeah, can't say, yeah, can't ni probably win trophy. No,
I wear them more in on fire.
na I know near Lando Norris go. Yeah, we need a trophy. Now, the way I could say a trophy. I want yes,
oh, they not the way they bought 2 euros or anything.
Champagne or the boy.
Champagne they bought 2 euros, so yeah.
And there's the 6 man, 40,000 euros.
SOMPA
Yes.
Sports.
40,000 euros.
Euros, yes.
About so them at TV
Trophy, small trophy, no
Ever feeling about yeah, remember on the